Good morning, all of you. I am Saur Kumar standing before you. Today I am going to do conversation with my friend Manisha.
Good morning to all respected men. My name is Manisha Kumar. I am from batch number 465. Today I am standing here to do conversation with my friend Sir.
Hello Manisha, how are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I am not good because nowadays my time is going bad.
For how? How is going your day bad?
I didn't get much money yesterday, so I am trying to go another side. Like today I will go to temple because you know very well today is
Festival, no?
festival.
That's
Yeah.
why. Stay, okay?
Yeah. Okay. How much money do you earn per day?
First you want.
I earn 10,000 daily. Do you know I have phone pay also? Those people
Then how are you bigger? You earn daily 10,000. It is the too much, na?
No, this is not too much because
For you, na, but it is too much for me because I earn daily only
1,000. Okay. My daughter and son read in Navy, so I have to pay. I had to pay.
I think you are
10,000.
I think you are rich beggar now.
No.
You earn daily 10,000 and that's why you are rich beggar na.